Right, so we can't let you go to 42 weeks because that doubles the risk of your baby dying, because your placenta is degrading. You don't want your baby to die, do you? So I'm going to book you in for an induction before you reach that 42-week date, because we won't let you go to that point. So this is what you have to do. Okay, so we're hearing that you would like to book an induction for my client before they reach a 42-week date. And we very much appreciate that their safety and their baby's safety is at the forefront of your mind. Thank you very much for that. With regards to individualised care for my clients, they have decided that they would decline an induction before 42 weeks. They have done their research. They understand that normal gestation is 37 to 42 weeks, and they appreciate the risk of going longer after this time. They've also weighed up that with the risks of induction itself, which obviously have been shown in a recent research paper by Hannah Dannon and her team. So they're understanding the balance between having an induction and not having an induction, and what feels right for them at this time is that they will say no to an induction before 42 weeks. They're really, we're really very appreciative of your help and your excellent care and wanting to keep everybody safe. So we understand about monitoring the baby's movements and keeping an eye on that, and understand that in some trusts they like for birthing people to come in to have a scan to check the blood flow to and from the placenta. So if there are obviously any changes, at the moment we're low risk and there don't seem to be any complications. We're happy to have a discussion if anything does change. And if you have any further ideas of how we can support my client and their wishes regarding induction, not until after 42 weeks, that would be much appreciated, so we can all work together as a team so everyone feels safe and happy with the decision that my client has made moving forward.